Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your lofter, aka home checker. We're now at the Yongan Market, and this is a share room without bathroom. So let's see. It is the lobby. There's some management and some sofa. Very nice ceiling. And the elevator room. And there is a ping pong table here. And some gym right here. Okay. Let's check out the elevator. So go down the hallway. You can find the room on your right hand side and the bathroom on the left. There are 4 people sharing this whole flat, and for this room you can see there's a single bed and a Japanese style and a window. You can have a great view of Taipei 101 and the AC, and there's some paintings here. Let's take off my shoes. Can have a great view of Taipei 101 from right from your window. And this is the closet, and there are some storage here, and here this is the mirror. Let me see. Okay, you can store some stuff here, and more storage here, and that one as well. So you can and you can also use the table here, like if you want to work or do some homework. This is the room. So let's check out the bathroom. So this is the sink, and you can put your stuff here, and there's a bathtub and a dry bathroom here. Okay, and this is the toilet. Okay, and there's a window. And here is where you can do your laundry. 4 people sharing one. And you can dry your clothes at the balcony here. There are plenty of space. Okay, so we're now viewing this single bedroom with double bed and shared bathroom. There's a standard double bed, an open closet right over here, these, some decoration, some storage space shelf, and this one. And a very big balcony and a split AC. And here is where you can put your stuff. There is 2 shelves you can use. This is the first one. And here is the second one. Definitely you can use this, and 1 drawers here. Other ones, there are some landlord put some stuff here that you might not be able to use it, and a desk and a chair and a clock and a fan. Okay, let's check out the balcony. You can have a very great view of Taipei 101. It's just right in front of us, there, that one. And this is the view down here. Great. And it is yours. This balcony is yours. Okay, from this angle, okay. Thank you. Okay, so we are now viewing a single bedroom. Even though there are 2 single beds in this room, but it is not a shared room. There's a curtain, and there's a window. You can see the hallway, but if you don't want others to see inside, you can just use the curtain. And also a very big balcony. On the left, here is the open closet. It is some bookshelf, but the landlord put all the books here. And a very big desk and office chair. It's pretty wide. And a balcony, a split AC, and curtains. Okay. Also from here you can see Taipei 101 and a very great view of the mountains in Taipei. And it's very windy here. It's pretty big. From this angle, so you can rent this whole room by yourself, or you can share it with your roommates, but you won't be sharing it with other strange roommates. Thank you.